Hello, my viewers. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. So, on this auspicious day, me, my students, my sister and her students, and also my cousin sister, and also one of my students' father had participated in this honorable day. They have tributed our freedom fighters in their own way. So let's watch our program. 15th August, Independence Day, is a national festival of India. We are tributed our freedom fighters on this day. On 15th August 1947, India got free from the British rule after 200 years. Independence Day promotes nationalism and patriotism towards the nation. It is one of the great days everyone remembers the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters to get independence. Also, it teaches everyone to know the importance of independence. We shall start this day with flag hosting ceremony.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Wish you everyone a happy Independence Day. Friends, I am Arman Datta. I study at class 6, Delhi Public School, Ruhi Park. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. Independence means the state of being free and not being controlled by another country. India got independence on 15th August 1947. From British rule, we got independence with the help of an freedom fighters. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Our freedom fighters were Netaji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Khudiram Bose and Bhagat Singh. They sacrificed their life to guard free India from British rule. Today, I will give a small tribute to them. Thank you.
Now, Arika Guchait and Shomal Lopal will be sharing the significance of our Indian flag.
Today I am going to tell about the significance of the three colors of the flag. The orange color of the flag represents strength and courage. The white color of the flag represents peace. The green color of the flag represents fertility and growth. The Ashok Chakra in navy blue in the middle of the white band represents the 24 hours of the day. Thank you.
আমাদের দেশের জাতীয় পতাকা ভারতীয়দের কাছে গৌরবের প্রতীক। ভারতীয় জাতীয় পতাকার তিনটি রং, ওপরে গেরুয়া, মাঝে সাদা ও নিচে সবুজ রং এবং কেন্দ্রস্থলে থাকে নীল রঙের একটি অশোক চক্র। গেরুয়া রং ত্যাগের প্রতীক, সাদা রং সত্য ও শান্তির প্রতীক ও সবুজ রং বিশ্বাস ও সজীবতার প্রতীক এবং মাঝে থাকা অশোক চক্রটি ভারতের অর্থনৈতিক পুনরুজ্জীবন ও দেশবাসীর শ্রমশীলতার প্রতীক হিসাবে মনে করা।
Let's hear a recitation where the mind is without fear and chitta jetha bhai shunna.
Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thoughts and actions, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
যেথা ভয় শূন্য, চিত্ত যেথা ভয় শূন্য, উচ্চ যেথা শির, জ্ঞান যেথা মুক্ত, যেথা গৃহের প্রাচীর, আপন প্রাঙ্গণ তলে দিবস সর্বরি, বসুধারে রাখে নাই খণ্ড ক্ষুদ্র করি, যেথা বাক্য হৃদয়ের উৎস মুখ হতে উচ্ছ্বসিয়া ওঠে, যেথা নির্বারিত স্রোতে দেশে দেশে দিশে দিশে কর্মধারা ধায়, অজস্র সহস্রবিধ চরিতার্থতায়, যেথা তুচ্ছ আচারের মরুবালু রাশি, বিচারের স্রোতপথ ফেলে নাই রাশি, পুরুষের করেনি শতধা, নিত্য যেথা তুমি সর্ব কর্ম চিন্তা আনন্দের নেতা, নিজ হস্তে নির্দয়ে আঘাত পরিপিত, ভারতের সেই স্বর্গে কর জাগরিত। Now, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's biography will be shared by Anushka Sanyal, and she has also drawn a wonderful picture of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Wishing a happy Independence Day to all. Today, I, Anushka Sanyal, would like to take the opportunity of this auspicious day to pay tribute to our national hero, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, through a handmade portrait and by narrating the story of his life. Subhash Chandra Bose is fondly remembered as one of the greatest freedom fighters of India and popularly known by the name of Netaji or the respected leader. He was strongly influenced by Swami Vivekananda's teachings and also believed that the Bhagavad Gita was a great source of inspiration for the struggle against the British. Bose was an Indian nationalist and a prominent figure of the Indian independence movement. The leader spearheaded the revolutionary Indian National Army during the World War II. He always pitched for complete and unconditional independence of India from the British rule. Subhash Chandra Bose was a twice elected president of the Indian National Congress, founder and president of the All India Forward Bloc, and founder and head of state of the Provisional Government of Free India, which he led alongside the Indian National Army from 1943 until his demise in 1945. Spoken as a part of a motivational speech for the Indian National Army at a rally of Indians in Burma in July 1944, Bose's most famous slogan was, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." Subhash Chandra Bose was born to Prabhavati Devi and Janakinath Bose on January 23, 1897 in Odisha. He took admission into the Protestant European School, which was run by the Baptist Mission. He did BA in Philosophy from the Presidency College in Calcutta and was later expelled for assaulting professor for the latter's anti-Indian remarks. After the incident, Bose was considered as one of the rebel Indians. During his college days, he gradually developed nationalist temperament and became socially and politically aware. He found Britishers' insults to Indians in public places as offensive. In December 1921, Bose was arrested and imprisoned for organizing a boycott of the celebrations to mark the Prince of Wales' visit to India. Bose left for England in 1919 to appear for Indian Civil Service examination. After a few years, Bose returned to India as He resigned from his civil service job in April 1921 and later joined the Indian National Congress to fight for the independence of India. Subhash Chandra Bose started the newspaper known as Swaraj and took charge of publicity for the Bengal Provincial Congress Committee. In 1923, Bose was elected as the president of All India Youth Congress and as the secretary of Bengal State Congress. He was also the editor of the newspaper called Forward, founded by his mentor Chittaranjan Das, and he served as the CEO of the Calcutta Municipal Corporation. By December 1927, Bose was appointed as the General Secretary of the INC. In November 1934, he wrote the first part of his book, The Indian Struggle, which was about nationalism and India's independence movement during 1920 to 1934. But the British government banned the book. In 1938, he agreed to accept nomination as the Congress president and presided over the Haripura session. However, due to his strong differences with Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, he resigned in 1939. Bose was always in favor of armed revolution in order to expel the Britishers from India. During the time when the Second World War took place, Bose revived the Indian National Army with the help of the Imperial Japanese Army and also founded an Indian radio station called the Azad Hind Radio. A few years later, he traveled to Japan, where more soldiers and civilians joined the INA. Even when faced with military reverses, Bose was able to maintain support for the Azad Hind movement. In Europe, Subhash Chandra Bose sought help from Adolf Hitler and Benito Mussolini for the liberation of India. Bose had struck an alliance with Japan and Germany as he felt that his presence in the East would help India in the freedom struggle against the British. Subhash Chandra Bose's most famous slogans include "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom," "Dilli Chalo." This was the call he used to give to the INA army to encourage them. "Jai Hind" or "Glory to India" was another slogan used by him and later adopted by the Government of India and Indian Armed Forces. Another slogan coined by him was "Ittifaq, Ittimad, Qurbani," Urdu for unity, agreement, sacrifice. The Indian National Army also used the slogan "Inqilab Zindabad," which was coined by Maulana Hazrat Mohani. In July 1944, in a speech broadcast by the Azad Hind Radio from Singapore, Bose addressed Mahatma Gandhi as the father of the nation. Subhash Chandra Bose is believed to have died in a plane crash in Taiwan in 1945, but his body was never found. There have been several theories regarding his disappearance. The government had set up a number of committees to investigate the case and come out with the truth.
Now, watch a vibrant dance performance. Das Mukherjee will be reciting a poem, Freedom by Rabindranath Tagore. By Kabiguru Rabindranath Tagore. Freedom from fear is the freedom I claim for you, my motherland. Freedom from the burden of the ages, bending your head, breaking your back, binding your eyes to the beckoning call of the future. Freedom from the shackles of slumber wherewith you fasten yourself in night stillness, mistrusting the star that speaks of truth's adventurous paths. From the freedom of the anarchy of destiny, whole cells are weakly yielded to the blind uncertain winds, and the helm to a hand of ever rigid and cold as death. Freedom from the insult of dwelling in a puppet's world where movements are started through brainless wires, repeated through mindless habits, where figures wait with patience and obedience for the master of show to be stirred into a mimicry of life. Thank you. Now, a short speech of some of our freedom fighters.
Everyone, I am Madhurima Sarkar. Today I am going to share some of our freedom fighters' contribution in shortly.
The freedom fighters of a country depends on its citizens. Individuals who selflessly sacrifice their lives so that their country and countrymen can be free are identified as a freedom fighters. Every country has a few brave hearts who willingly give up their lives for their countrymen. People of the country look up to the freedom fighters with respect for their patriotism and the love they had for their motherland. These people provide examples by which other citizens aim to live by. The influence left by the freedom fighters. It's not possible for one to stress enough on the importance of the deeds of the freedom fighters. On every Independence Day, the country remembers the thousands who once struggled so that their countrymen could be free. Their sacrifices are never forgotten by their countrymen. Some noteworthy Indian freedom fighters. India had been under the British rule for 200 years approximately. There were a lot of brave hearts who laid down their lives for the freedom of India. Within the limited scope of this essay, I will discuss the contribution made by only a few freedom fighters. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Freedom is not given, it's taken. This approach summed up Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose all his life. His Indian National Army shook the British Empire at its roots. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. On his most quoted lines is from a speech that Bose delivered to the soldier of Indian National Army that he commanded along with Mohan Singh. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was an excellent leader. He travelled to other countries to form alliance and formed Indian National Army or Azad Hind Fauj. He was also successful in freeing a portion of the Indian territory from the British rule. Jatindranath Mukherjee is known as Jatindranath Mukherjee was one of the revolutionary freedom fighters led for Indian independence and freedom. Then again, he connected local youths and other revolutionary when he started going to college. Baba Jatin was impressed by the teachings of Swami Vivekananda for Indian freedom. Thus, he decided to carry out Swami Vivekananda's philosophies in his freedom struggle. Jatindranath Mukherjee was one of the great leaders for the freedom struggle. In fact, he formed a group of people who are like-minded revolutionaries. These revolutionaries carried out the Indian freedom struggle movements. Bhagat Singh. The fearless patriot was hanged to death at a very young age after being convicted in several cases of dissent against the British Empire. Khudiram Bose. In the Indian freedom struggle, Khudiram Bose was a freedom fighter who made a revolution. Khudiram Bose counted among the youngest freedom fighters. On 3rd December 1889, Khudiram Bose was born at Midnapur district in West Bengal. Khudiram Bose met Birendra Kumar Ghosh when he joined Anuhilan Samiti. Khudiram Bose was one of the youngest freedom fighters that gave up their life for the country in 18 years of age. Newspaper reports from then have said that he went to the gallows with a smile on his face. Later on, Muzaffarpur jail, where he was put to death, was named after him. Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of the nation. He led to path to freedom follows the principle of ahimsa or non-violence. He prioritized Swadeshi and non-cooperation to expedite the freedom movements.
Freedom fighters are the reason we live in a free country. We must honor their sacrifices and aim to live together in a harmony and peace, ensuring social justice.
Thank you. Happy Independence Day. One of my students' father has also shown his immense skills in this auspicious day. So let's start enjoying it with full mood. We are proud to be an Indian.
নমস্কার, আমি সৌমাল্য পাল, একজন ভারতীয় হয়ে আমি গর্বিত। আমি আমার মাতৃভূমি ভারতবর্ষকে খুব ভালোবাসি। জয় হিন্দ, ধন্যবাদ।
India is my motherland. I love India. Hind.
Thanks for all for watching our program. Please celebrate this day in such a way that people can understand the importance of this day, which make them feel from their immense heart. Don't forget the sacrifices which our freedom fighters had made all the way. How they fought and made our country free from the British rule. India is our motherland. We should be really proud to be an Indian. So always give them respect. Thanks once again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ गढ़वाल विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे